Good afternoon folks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's Sunday the 25th of July and I'm just heading out currently towards a bikers venue, a bit of a bikers cafe called Squires, which is on the outskirts of Leeds in an area called Sherburn-in-Elmet. I do come here now and again. I haven't been for a while, I don't think, but it's a nice day today, 20 odd degrees, 22 degrees at the moment, so I just thought have a little ride out. It's not too far from my home address, not like some of the other journeys I've done recently, so a bit of a sedate day if you like. So yeah, enjoy the view. Hopefully it'll be quite busy there with bikers. It'll be a bit of a good atmosphere, and I'll see what sort of footage I can get and see if I can get some photos while I'm there of some bikes. Okay, I'll catch up with you very shortly. So yeah, one of my other pastimes, apart from riding the bike, is photography. So I brought a camera with me today, and the plan is, just prior to the Squires Cafe, coming in from this direction, there's a couple of nice little double bends, and the plan is I'm going to plot up there and then just try and get some decent photos of some of the bikers as they're coming through the bends, and see if I can get some arty, sporty, creative pictures. Probably nothing like that in the end, but anyway, I'll see what turns out. Hopefully I'll get a couple of pictures that I could just add into the video. So we're just going to turn off in a moment onto the B1222 towards Sherburn-in-Elmet. It's not a bad little area around here, quite sort of countrified. I haven't brought the drone with me today because unfortunately you can't really fly drones around here. I believe it's a bit of a no-fly stroke restricted area for drones and such like, because there are a couple of airfields. Most of them are private airfields, sort of Church Fenton I believe is one, and well, there's definitely an airport as far as I understand it at Sherburn-in-Elmet, because I have a flight booked where I'm accompanying an old friend who's taking me up on a helicopter ride next month. So I am aware there is an airfield of some description around here. This'll do. Right, so I've just been taking a few photos there, so I'll put them on screen and hopefully they'll have come out okay. Let me know what you think. So that's a bit of a hobby of mine, just taking a few photos, not necessarily always of bikes, could be anything, dogs, cars, street photography, anything of that nature. Keeps me off the streets, keeps me occupied. And this will do. So this is Squires. Is that going to be alright? It should be. As long as nobody knocks it, and I'm sure they won't. So yeah, I'll have a quick look around, try and get a bite to eat. I'll catch up with you shortly.
Exactly, so it doesn't even count. Exactly, so it's not really most pathetic. So, yeah. Well, we have the most pathetic one, most of the anyway, so. Well, I'll say, the other stuff beside it.
So that, folks, is Squires. Quite busy. Is it clear? It's clear. Oh, that Jeep smells. Let's see if I can get up to it. Bit unusual, old military Jeep. And the guys are in uniform. It's a very smelly Jeep. But that's worth a bob or two. So yeah, I'm just saying that was Squires. So just a quick video today, just to sort of show you one of my reasonably local bike haunts. It's not too far from where I live, or it's certainly easy accessible from where I live, but it does get quite busy. Unfortunately, obviously, like a lot of other places, it was closed during the lockdowns, and the gates were shut. You couldn't even go in to the actual car park area, which was a shame. I'd have thought they'd have been able to set something up in the car park, like a lot of pubs did. You know, pubs were serving booze from the car park or from a hatch. It's a shame they couldn't do something like that. But that's very nice. Yeah, nice little Jeep, that. Are we clear? I believe so. Out we go.